Hi parents, we are moving into Unit 3 and I'm going to show you a way to make a way to compare fractions. So the first thing we have to do is we have to make sure that the denominator is the same. So in order to get a like denominator, we have to list the multiples of both of the denominators to find the least common multiple. So I'm going to put both denominators on a line and I'm going to list their multiples. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, I'm going to stop there because I see a multiple that 4 and 3 have that's the same. So I'm going to list my multiples of 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is the least common multiple of both denominators. So that will become my new denominator. So now I have to ask myself, 4 times what will give me 12? Times 3. So whatever I multiply the denominator by, I have to also multiply the numerator by. Three times 1 gives me 3. So on this side, we now have 3/12, which is equivalent to 1/4. So now we're going to move to our second fraction. 3 times what gives me 12? Times 4. And again, whatever I multiply times my denominator, I have to multiply times my numerator. 2 times 4 gives me 8. So now I have 3/12 and 8/12. Now I can compare the fractions because they now have a like denominator. I know that 8 is more than 3. So that means that 8/12 is greater than 3/12.